In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. All you need to do is tap on Albums app and decide if you wanna delete your photos from Photos or Albums categories. Don't worry, I will show you both. Let's start with Photos. Hold one and either click on this button at the top left corner to pick all of your pictures from Photos section, or click on those next to all of those tiny sections. In my case, it's only today. Now, to keep any photo from select ones, tap on it. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wanna delete anything from albums, click on an album, hold one photo, and use the same button at the top left corner. Or click on this button with a check mark at the top right corner, and then this one at the top left one. To keep some of those photos, tap on them, and then delete the rest using the same button as before. Quick tip: if you deleted any photo by accident, tap on Recently Deleted, hold it, and click Restore button at the bottom left corner. Confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!